Hello my friends, I continue to build my hand saw and I have one problem here. Guys told me about direct contact of these two metals, brass and aluminum. It's not desirable because it's a galvanic pair. If these two metals are tightly connected, weaker one, in this case aluminum, will be destroyed by corrosion very soon. So I decide to make this gap more and use glue layer to minimize connection of these metals. And for the same reason I need to make these holes bigger. Okay. I wanna use this brass rod for rivets, but first I need to remove patina from it. So I think I should not do it, because now it will be question how does it hold at all. Maybe it would be more interesting look with such screws, but okay, it's already done. And some words about riveting. No need to drill some kind of tapered drilling for head of rivet, because in this case you can't to make invisible heads. I use these straight holes and simple pins without heads and without such heads also. When you start hammering your straight pin, it turns to taper shape and become press metal of bracket out around itself. And then you can grind it and get invisible pins.